Good morning, my dear students. Here is social science time. In the previous class, we have discussed about the asteroids and dwarf planets. Okay, so today we are going to start another thing in solar system, which is the comets. What is it? The comets. Val Nakshatra. Okay, have you seen this in the sky? Anybody seen? Okay, let's talk about what is a comet. Okay, then I think it's very beautiful to see, isn't it? Actually, the comet is an icy rocks. We can see the solar system. Okay, then the icy rocks are joined together under the force of gravity of the space. Okay, at that time is the icy small solar system body that moving around the solar system, and sometime the comet is passing close to the sun. At that time it warms and begins to release gases. Okay, can you see a tail after the comets എന്നുള്ള ഒരു വാല് പോലെയാണ് അല്ലേ? Okay, then how did happen it? Let's see. All of you listen. Can you see the picture? What is it? We can see sun and some comets are revolving around the sun. Can you see it? Okay. Then as the comet gets closer to the sun, some of the ice starts to melt and boil off along with particles of dust. Okay. These particles and gases make a cloud around the nucleus called coma. Then we know that I told you, as the comet gets closer to the sun, the ice of the comets became to boiling. Okay, at that time a nucleus gases make a cloud in comets. Okay, these nucleus are called coma, and at that time the comets are very close to sun. This sunlight also pushes these materials into the beautiful brightened tin. Okay, at that time a tail become in the comets. Can you see the tail of the comets? All of you listen here. So as asteroids, we have comets also in the solar system. Okay, then this is the picture of the comet Ison arrived by the end of 2013. Okay, and it rushed towards the sun and will never return. So the remains of the Ison comet are now invisible to the human eye. So the comets are another thing in solar system is an icy body. Okay, that when passing close to the sun warms and begins to release gases. Okay, as asteroid and comets, we have another thing in solar system. It's meteoroid. Okay, like asteroid, meteoroid also some pieces of stones like debris outer space. Okay, generally we can say that meteoroid are all the smaller objects in orbit around the sun. Then most of them originate from the comets. കൊമറ്റ്സിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്ന മറ്റൊരു സ്റ്റോൺ ടൈപ്പ് പാർട്ടിക്കിൾസ് ആണ് മെറ്റീറോയിഡ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ദേ ഓർബിറ്റിംഗ് ഇൻ ദി ഔട്ടർ സ്പേസ് ആൻഡ് അറൗണ്ട് ദി സൺ. Okay, then some other meteoroids are basically coming from the small asteroids. Okay, then the meteoroids these are very smaller than asteroids. Sometime if any part of meteoroid survive the fall through the atmosphere and lands on earth called meteorite. So these meteoroids are the debris of comets. Okay, so by these portions we have learned that the solar system includes the sun, the planets revolving around the sun, and the features of planets and their satellites, and asteroids, comets, and the dwarf planets, and also meteoroids. Okay, so all of you try to understand well. Okay.